Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will learn about CSS Combinator Selectors. Combinator Selectors. Combinator selectors are used to target children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren, or later of a given element in the document tree. The symbols used for combinators include the space character, greater than character, the plus sign, and the tilde sign. Descendant Combinator. The Descendant Combinator is actually an empty space. The pattern of this combinator is simply two tags side by side with a space in between them. It selects elements that are descendants of the first element. Child Combinator. The child combinator uses the greater than operator and targets elements that are immediate children of the parent. The difference between descendant and child selector is that the child combinator is more specific. It only will select direct children elements of the first tag. The descendant combinator, however, is more liberal. Not only will it select children of the first tag, it will also select grandchildren, great-grandchildren, and so on. Adjacent Sibling Combinator. The adjacent sibling combinator uses the plus sign and targets elements that are next to each other in the document tree, which have the same parent. In other words, the second tag directly follows the first, and they share the same parent element. Journal Sibling Combinator. The journal Sibling Combinator uses the tilde operator. It differs from the adjacent Sibling Combinator in that the second selector doesn't have to immediately follow the first. Both elements must both share the same parent. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.